Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Microsoft account password. First, navigate to the official Microsoft account recovery page. You will then need to enter the email address, phone number, or Skype name linked to your account. After submitting this information, Microsoft will prompt you to verify your identity by sending a security code to an alternate contact method you have on file. This initial step is crucial for ensuring only you can access your account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Next, you'll choose how to receive your security code. Options typically include an alternate email address or a phone number associated with your account. If you no longer have access to any of these verification methods, select the option "I don't have any of these." This will lead you to a more detailed account recovery form where you'll provide additional information to prove your ownership. Be as thorough as possible with your answers to help Microsoft verify your identity. Once your identity is successfully verified, you will be prompted to create a brand new password. It's essential to choose a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information such as birthdays or common words. Enter your new password twice to confirm it, ensuring there are no typos. A robust password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access to your account. After resetting your password, consider enhancing your account security further. We highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification step during sign-in. Regularly review your recent activity for any unusual sign-ins or changes. Also, ensure your recovery information, like alternate email addresses and phone numbers, is always up to date. These practices help keep your Microsoft account secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.